If Audacity is giving you an export error on Windows 11, don't worry, because this is usually caused by one of a few simple issues, and in this video I'll walk you through each fix step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your audio successfully and avoid the same problem in the future. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's start with the most common cause, Windows Security Controlled Folder Access. This feature is designed to protect your folders from ransomware, but sometimes it blocks Audacity from creating new export files. To check this, open Windows Security, then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Next, click Manage Ransomware Protection. If controlled folder access is turned on, you can either temporarily turn it off for testing or choose Allow an app through controlled folder access and add Audacity to the white list. Once Audacity is allowed, try exporting again and see if the error is gone. If that does fix it, the next thing to check is where you are exporting the file. Exporting directly to OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox can often cause problems because those cloud services may try to sync the file while Audacity is still writing it. That can interrupt the export and trigger an error. The safest solution is to export to a local folder first, such as your desktop or downloads folder. Once the export is complete and the file is saved properly, you can move it to your cloud storage afterward. If you want to keep exporting to a synced folder, try pausing the sync temporarily before exporting. Now, let's look at another very common issue, forbidden characters in the file name. Windows does not allow certain characters in file names, and if your track title or export name includes any of these, the export can fail immediately. The restricted characters are // colon, asterisk, question mark, quotation mark, less than, greater than, and the vertical bar. So make sure your export file name is clean and simple, with only letters, numbers, spaces, hyphens, or underscores. A quick file name change can solve the problem instantly. You should also check your available disk space. If your drive is almost full, Audacity may fail when trying to write the exported file. As a general rule, make sure you have at least 2 GB of free space available, and even more if you are exporting a long podcast, large WAV file, or a high-quality project. If your drive is low on space, delete unnecessary files or choose a different drive before trying again. Another useful fix is to run Audacity as an administrator. Sometimes the app needs elevated permissions to access folders or create files properly. To do this, close Audacity first, then right-click the Audacity icon and choose Run as Administrator. After it opens, try the export again. If the problem was caused by a permissions issue, this often resolves it right away. So to recap, if you see an Audacity export error on Windows 11, check Windows Security Controlled Folder Access, export to a local folder instead of a cloud synced one, remove illegal characters from the file name, make sure you have enough free disk space, and run Audacity as administrator if needed. One of these fixes will usually solve the issue. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.